Transferring Bitcoin from Wazirx to another wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Visit the Wazirx website or open the Wazirx mobile app. Then log in to your account. Find and click on the wallet section. This is usually located in the top menu. Within the wallet section, locate Bitcoin. This is where you will find your Bitcoin balance. Then, look for an option like withdraw, send, or transfer next to your Bitcoin balance. Now, enter the Bitcoin wallet address of the recipient. Be extremely careful when entering the address to avoid errors. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Some platforms also provide the option to choose between transferring the entire balance or a specific amount. After that, double-check the recipient's Bitcoin address and the amount to ensure accuracy. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to complete the authentication process. Once you've reviewed the details and confirmed everything is accurate, submit the withdrawal request. Depending on Wazirx's security features, you may need to verify the withdrawal via email or another method. Wazirx will process your withdrawal request, and you will need to wait for confirmation. The processing time can vary. Monitor the transaction status. You may receive a confirmation email, and you can also check the status on the Wazirx platform.